Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're doing good today, and today is a beautiful day, and I decided to make a tutorial video on how to make your own cloth mask because disposable mask in the store is always out of stock. And to protect ourselves when we go in the public, even we just use our cloth mask, it will be fine. Not only for, it's not really like you can use it like for to protect 100% for COVID, but at least we have something in our nose and mouth. And especially allergy season is here, it's spring here, and I have a bad allergy, so I need one too. So without further ado, I will gonna show to you the material that we're gonna use right here. We need fabrics, scissor, tape measure. If you don't have tape measure, a ruler will be fine too, and 5 inches elastic too. And if you don't have fabrics, then you can use your unused bed sheets or whatever fabric you are available. In your fabric, as what you see, this is the outside, but you have to flip it over, the inside out, then the outside in. Here it is. And then you measure, afterward you measure 9 and 6. The width is 9, and then from top to bottom the height is 6. Okay, here is the looks. And then the end of this, that's 9 by 6, so yeah. And then the end is, you got to flip that one in both side and sew it. Okay, fold it, and then you sew the corner, and then the same in the other side. Okay, finish sewing the other side and on both side. That's how it looks. So what gonna need to do is flip that one like that, and we're gonna overlap a little bit, but before that you're gonna, so you get the middle. Here's the middle. You make a mark in there. So I snip a little bit to make a mark in that's the middle. Or if you want to, if you have a pin, you can pin it so you know that's the center. And then all you do is here, that's the center there. Stand up. You're gonna overlap a little bit, and then the same as the other side, you overlap a little bit. That's the how it looks. And after that, you're gonna put your elastic on the bottom, right there and right there. I'm gonna put that in the bottom and on both sides, and you put a clip or pen. You put it in the side and put the clip on it. That's how it looks. You just put something not really close to the edge, but just a little bit. So we're gonna clip this one. Next is, you're gonna sew straight going down, and the same in the other side too. You're gonna sew like that. Now here is our finished product, and you can add, if you want a thicker, you can add something inside, like a coffee filter or any kind of cloth that you wanna put in there. That's all. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you, or hope you like this tutorial. Bye bye. Don't forget to thumbs up or subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.